guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have not one, but two lucky bags by Beautylish to show you. Do you want to know if I was lucky? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, I have two boxes. One of them is the original size and one is the extra large. You're only allowed to buy one per person. One of these was a gift and one of these I purchased myself. So if you want the pricing really quick, the Lucky Bag Original, which would be, I think it's this one right here. It's this one right here. This one is $75 with $15 shipping, and it's supposed to have a value of $150 or higher. And then you have the extra large. Oh, and on this one you can choose a color tone, and I believe it was the lightest tone chosen for me because I can't get any lighter, I don't think. This one here did not have a color option, but this one was $150 with $20 shipping, and it's supposed to have a value of $300 or higher. Inside of this one, there was also the Wayne Goss extra large, which is the same price as this one. And then there was a Jeffree Star, that looks like that was a smaller bag, or you can buy one and gift one. So those are the different options. Let's go ahead and go with the gift for the gift first. That would be this one, the original size. I only know because that one has a scuff here, and the one that arrived today, which is my extra large, has a scuff on the top. They're the same size though. Normally the large boxes are larger, and I was a little confused on they're the same exact size. So we must have a lot smaller products this time in the larger box. So let's go ahead and open up this one first. And every year they do change this up. I always save it because I never know if I want to use it for like journaling, scrapbooking, anything like that. Plus it's always really cute paper design. So I always save that, and I save the card. And here is the entire print. And you do have the tag that says the Lucky Bag 2026. For 26, we gathered a collection of good luck charms, each one a sign that luck will find you anywhere. We hope the surprises inside remind you that good things are already on their way. That's what that says. So enough about the paper. So now I have all my products in front of me. I will go through one at a time. The first one is this hydrogel face mask. It looks like that'll be a really nice mask though. I like to put these in the refrigerator so they're nice and cold going on. So here is a face mask. I love a sheet mask. I don't like the ones you have to wash off, so I will never complain about an actual sheet mask. So there's item number one. Next up we have this little box right here. And it says Beauty Evolution All Over Color Creamy Finish. And this is what is inside. I don't know if it's that color right there. Yes, that is that color right there. So what is this though? I'm not sure. It just says an all over creamy finish. So I'm not sure if this is something that can be worn like on your eyes, your lips, your cheeks. I don't do anything with creamy products, so I'm gonna save this for a future giveaway for you guys anyways. So there's the second item. Next, we have a smoke reflectant. There's the brand name right there. It says a cream plus powder eyeshadow duo. Here's the packaging. That looks like a really pretty shimmery color right there. And then the bottom, it's kind of like a steely gray kind of color. That's interesting, and I really like the shimmer color on the top. That looks really pretty. Up next, we do have a product from Good Molecules. Every year you always get a product in here, but it's never been like an actual kit. I did see Rena, because she got the same size. That's the only video that I've seen so far. She actually got a different kit, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cool that they actually put in a full kit instead of just one product. So I got the Energizing Eye Kit, which includes a Wake Up Eye Gel and the Hydrogel Eye Patches. I already have the Wake Up Eye Gel in my arsenal right now, so I will probably just save this entire kit to go to one of you guys. so I'm not breaking up the set. Plus I have a couple containers of eye masks like this, not the same brand, but I already have some open. So I think I'll just save this to go for one of you guys. But that's so cool that they put a whole kit in here, not just one product this time. I like that. And then now we do have a brush. We always get a brush. This is Maria Cantala. I'm not quite sure. And ooh, looks nice and bougie though. Look at how it comes. Ooh. Hold please. So it has like this little gold trim at the bottom, and this is what the brush looks like. It says it's a setting brush, one setting brush. So it's probably for like setting powder and stuff. So I'll probably put this in the future giveaway then, because I don't use any type of setting powder. But that looks like a really nice brush though. Very fancy with the packaging, that is for sure. And then the last item in here is going to be a palette. And I don't think I have this one. Last year, I actually swapped with Rena, and I will link her video down below if you want to see another small box, because that's what she got. She got a different palette last year, and she wanted the one that I got, so we swapped either way. And so I got this brand, but it's like all brown tones. I don't have this one, so that's so cool. I actually have something I don't have. Ooh, and those are some beautiful colors, right up my alley. Look at how gorgeous. Definitely super pretty. I'm so glad, you guys, that I didn't get the same palette that I already have. So yeah, I feel like I got definitely lucky on this bag, because I don't have this palette. So that's super exciting. So a quick recap for the regular size box is this palette, which I'm so excited about. You have a full eye kit, you have a brush, you have this all over cream, you have the 2 different shadows in here, and the eye mask. All right, you guys, so now that was everything for the original. Let's go ahead and dive into the one that I purchased, which is the extra large. I'm excited, but I'm intrigued, because this is a really small box. Again, the same size as the other one. So hopefully I'm so lucky in this one as well. So the same exact presentation when you open up the box, with the card and the paper. And everything is down inside of here. We'll go ahead and open this one. I'm trying to peek at the palette already. Okay, so let's go with this item right here, because it looks exactly like this one. So maybe it's a different color. So let me go ahead and open this one so we can see the color at least. So this is more of like a deeper burgundy kind of color. Very pretty though. So I don't know what you do with these, but I will definitely save them for one of you guys. Now we have, it says it's a blush, I guess. There's the brand right there, kind of hard to show you. Look at how teeny tiny this is. And then you just slide the top right off. It's a very light type color for a blush, but I don't do anything with blushes, so this will definitely go for one of you guys. I'll put it right back down inside of the box. Yeah, that's how it sounds in there. Okay, so now we have a lip product. It says Color Fix Glazes by Danessa Myricks, and the color on this is Pink Ice. Ooh, that's definitely a different packaging. Look at the lid. And that is what it looks like. And it's that pinkish type color right there. Next up we have is Grown Alchemist. What are you? Skin Defense Primer. I don't use primer, so I will save this for one of you guys as well. But if you want to see what it looks like, so you do have a face primer. Again, I will save that for one of you guys. Next up, we do have the Good Molecules product in this one, and it says Holly Jolly Hydration, a mini winter skin duo that hydrates and deeply nourishes the skin. Again, I'm so excited that they are putting in kits instead of just one product. And down inside of here, it is a small little serum. So, I mean, that's kind of weird though that you got small samples in this one and the larger, the XL box, but that's what is inside of this kit here. So it looks like you have the hyaluronic acid serum and rich cream with cremates. Again, you have two little minis. Up next, we have the Jade tool right here. I have so many tools just like this and so many others that I will pass this down, but that is what it looks like right there. And it has a little brochure right on top, but that'll go to one of you guys. Then now we have is a soothing leave-on treatment. What is this? Soothing leave-on treatment, Serene Scalp. It says instant relief. This lightweight and fast absorbing leave-on treatment removes loose dandruff flakes while cooling mint and calming chamomile soothe and balance the scalp. I don't have any dandruff or anything, so I do not have any reason to be using this product, so I will save that as well. Now we have our brush. It looks like it's the same exact brand. Is it the same exact one? No. This one here is a number 3 powder cheek brush, but it comes in the same packaging, and that is what it looks like right there. Super, super soft. Ooh, losing some bristles, but super, super soft. And it does have the same edging on the bottom of the brush as well. So there's the brush. And then the last item in this one is the Natasha Denona Eye Sculpt Texture and Tone palette. I don't know if I have this one. To be honest, I don't really care for Natasha Denona. I do have quite a few of her palettes, but I don't think I have this one. I don't think I have one with a white cover. I know I have a red one, a pink one, there's a black one, but I don't think I have a white one. So I guess I'll add these to the others, and then at least it's something that I don't already have. And it does have this that comes on top, and it gives you some more information. But those are some really pretty neutral colors. And again, I don't have this one, so that's neat. So I have 2 new palettes to add to my collection out of both of these kits. So that is everything for the extra large. Again, I got this palette. We have the brush, the mini set. We have a scalp treatment for dandruff, this little blush. You have this all over cream product. You have a lip gloss, a face tool, and a primer. All right, you guys, so that is both of the boxes. Again, one was gifted to me and the other one I purchased. What do you think of each one? Which one do you think would be better? What do you think is a better value and the products inside? Definitely comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Me personally, I'm really excited about this palette. This other one, I guess, to keep into my arsenal, but again, I don't really care for those palettes as much. I've never even pulled them to use them or to reuse them, so it's just gonna sit there. So this one I'm actually excited about. And yeah, everything else I'm gonna pass down to you guys, which is amazing because I love to share and pass down to you guys as well. So I definitely wanted to grab this. I'm so glad that I actually got gifted the other one too, so I can show you both different variations. I will link down below the video link to Rena's original size box too, if you want to see a different variation. I don't even think she got the same things at all that I got. I think she got completely different products in that one. So if you would like to see a different variation, again, in the description box, I will list her video link. If you would like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys. So again, that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.